Hey, this is my updated video for corticosteroids and hiccups. I slept about 4 hours last night, and they're back with a vengeance. They seem to hit about every, I'm repressing one now, about every 5 to 10 seconds I get a hiccup. And anyway, they come back, and so if you've been taking either prednisolone or cortisone or gotten a steroid shot and found yourself having hiccups afterwards, well, that's probably why. So consider showing this video to your doctor if you have this reaction and they don't believe you. I hope you all had a better night than I had last night, since I slept about 4 and a half hours. Um, anyway, that's it. Uh, just sitting here having my hiccups for the next couple of days. Bye.